Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of Email-It, a tool that's been quietly gaining attention in the developer and marketing space. And the big question is whether it can actually compete with giants like SendGrid, Mailgun, and Amazon SES. And the pitch is bold. It has a simple email infrastructure, no subscriptions, you pay for only what you send, and it's built for both developers and marketers. But does it actually deliver on that promise, or is it just another SendGrid alternative that looks good on paper? Well, let's get started. At its core, Email-It is an email delivery platform designed for two main groups: developers who need SMTP or API integration, and businesses and marketers sending transactional or campaign emails. So in simple terms, it helps you send emails like password resets, order confirmations, onboarding emails, newsletters, and campaigns. But instead of building your own email infrastructure or relying on expensive subscription-based tools, Email-It positions itself as a pay-as-you-go email engine. Now let us talk about the main features: SMTP and API integration. You can integrate it in two ways: SMTP for traditional setups like WordPress or apps, and REST API for developers building software. So whether you're using Shopify, SaaS apps, or backend systems, it fits easily. Transactional and marketing emails. It supports both transactional emails like receipts, alerts, and login emails, and as well as marketing campaigns like newsletters and broadcasts. That dual purpose setup is useful if you don't want multiple tools. Credit-based pricing system. This is one of its biggest selling points. Different actions cost different credits. For example, 1 credit equals SMTP or API email, 2 credits equal campaign email, 5 credits equal email verification. And again, no subscription, just usage-based billing. Next is deliverability monitoring. Email-It claims strong deliverability performance with inbox-focused sending infrastructure. However, like most email tools, real-world performance can vary depending on your domain reputation, list quality, and how you warm up your email system. Developer-friendly setup. From what users report, integration is fairly straightforward. There's a quick domain setup, has a clean dashboard, API keys that are generated instantly, as well as WordPress integrations that are available. No feature lock-in. One standout point is that you're not gated by pricing tiers, so everyone gets access to the API plus SMTP. Everyone gets access to dashboard, analytics, and sending tools. The only difference is how many credits you buy. Now, what is the pricing like? As earlier mentioned, there are no subscriptions. It is just a usage-based billing. So for example, for API and SMTP, costs 1 credit per email. For campaigns, it costs 2 credits per email. And for verification, it costs 5 credits per email. So for starters, which is perfect for small projects, if you invest $20, you get 100,000 credits. And the most popular plan is the growth plan. For $45, you get 250,000 credits. And for high volume senders, if you invest $500, you get 5 million credits. What are the pros and cons of using Email-It? First, the pros. It's very affordable at scale. No monthly subscription pressure. There's API and SMTP flexibility. It has a simple onboarding and is good for transactional emails. How about the cons? There's limited advanced marketing automation. There's a smaller ecosystem compared to SendGrid or MailChimp. And deliverability can depend heavily on setup quality. So, is Email-It the SendGrid killer? Well, the honest answer is not yet, but it doesn't need to be. Here's how I see it. If you're a developer building SaaS products, a startup looking for cheap email infrastructure, or someone tired of subscription-based emails, then Email-It is genuinely interesting. But if you're running large-scale email marketing campaigns, you're needing advanced automation flows, or relying heavily on enterprise-level deliverability guarantees, then platforms like SendGrid, Mailgun, or Amazon SES still feel more mature. And that's it on the review of Email-It. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore SendGrid, Mailgun, and Amazon SES. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.